Hi guys, today I'm making something completely different. Having a rest from baking, today I'm making Balinese Sambal Goreng. The ingredients for this recipe are actually quite simple. First, chop the shallots thinly because we want the texture to be crunchy at the end. Now, here is the main ingredient for this recipe, which is red chili. Throw the stems and just chop it. You can put as many chili as you want, depends on how spicy you want it to be. Here, I'm using around 1 or 1.5 cloves of garlic and just chop it thinly. Lime leaves is a must. It will give the taste and the aroma to the sambal. Just throw the end bit and chop it thinly. Now I'm going to mix the salt with the shrimp paste. With high flame, pour oil into the pan. When the oil is hot, fry the shallots until the color turns golden. And keep mixing it. When it is half cooked, put the garlic in. Just keep mixing it in order not to burn it. As you can see, the color has slowly changed. After the color has completely turned into golden, now I'm going to drain the shallots. With the remaining oil from frying the shallots, now I'm going to fry the chilies. Actually, I'm going to mix between small red chilies and big red chilies. Fry the chili until the water has gone and the oil become transparent. Now add the salt and the shrimp paste and mix it well. Switch off the flame and add the shallots and just mix it. Lastly, add lime leaves and mix everything. And the sambal is ready. Very simple, right? I'll normally put it in jars and I can keep it for 2 weeks. I'll put it in the freezer and once I'm going to eat it, I'll move it into the fridge. You can enjoy this spicy sambal with literally everything.